15 profitable side hustle ideas for earning money from the comfort of your own home. Many people believe that the key to becoming a millionaire is diversifying their sources of income. It's not surprising to learn that on average, millionaires have around 7 different income streams. In this video, I'll share with you 15 side hustles that can help you make more money from the comfort of your home. Diversifying your income streams is crucial, as relying on just one can be risky. These side hustles can be done from anywhere, allowing you to work while you travel. And best of all, you won't need a boss as you get to be your own boss and choose your own working hours. Let's skip the usual suggestions like taking online surveys, dog walking, or food delivery. Instead, I'll share some next-level side hustles with you. I know tons of individuals who make thousands of dollars each month from these side hustles, so I can confidently say that they're all legitimate. The best part is that most of them don't require any upfront cost to get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, so you can start making money from day one. The first side hustle on our list is teaching English online, and while this may require a college degree, the others on this list do not. A popular platform for this is VIP Kid, where you can earn up to $22 per hour by teaching English to children in China. The best part is that you don't need to speak Chinese. You can choose your own hours, and you don't have to prepare lesson plans, as the curriculum is provided for you. VIP Kid has been recognized as one of the top 10 best places to work. To qualify, you need a 4-year degree in any major, and they recommend at least 2 years of teaching experience. However, the definition of experience is flexible and includes tutoring, coaching, and mentoring. So if you help your kids with homework, that can be considered relevant work experience. A second side hustle option is becoming a blog post writer. If you enjoy writing, this could be a great opportunity for you, with potential earnings ranging from $30 to $65 per hour. Many companies and small businesses maintain blogs on their websites, but may lack the time or resources to create the content themselves. This presents an opportunity for skilled writers to provide valuable blog posts for these businesses. As you gain expertise and receive recommendations, you could potentially earn up to $125 per hour as a blog post writer. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are excellent places to start, as you can create a profile and offer your services to clients looking for writers. This allows you to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients who may be willing to pay premium rates for your services. Our third side hustle is to consider becoming a virtual assistant. As a VA, you can perform various tasks for clients, all online. In the US, starting out, you can expect to earn an average of $25 to $35 per hour. However, experienced VAs can charge $60 or more per hour for their services. Platforms like Upwork or specialized VA websites can be great places to find clients and offer your skills as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, the tasks you perform will vary depending on the needs of your clients. It could include conducting research, scheduling appointments, data entry in Excel, or even watching TikTok videos to stay updated on trends. If you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant, you can create a profile and offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to get started. These platforms can help you connect with clients who may require your services for their business or personal needs. I've shared some side hustles that generate active income, where you earn a set amount per hour of work. However, let's also discuss passive income side hustles, where you invest time and effort upfront, but then continue to earn money even while you're not doing anything. One example of such a side hustle is creating an online course. If you possess a valuable skill that people are willing to pay to learn, creating an online course can be a lucrative side hustle. Think about what you're passionate about or what friends have asked you to teach them. It could be a cooking class, video editing, or any other course on how to excel in your profession. This could be a great way to share your expertise and earn passive income in the long run. Creating online courses can be considered passive income because although you invest time in creating them initially, you can continue to generate income from them for years to come. You can list your course on platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare, or host a course on your own website. This lets you earn money while you sleep, as people enroll in your course and access the content at their own pace. Another way to earn passive income as a side hustle is by creating digital products. This could include an ebook about a topic you're passionate about, or design templates such as Instagram post templates for those with an artistic eye, or email newsletter templates for those who enjoy writing. Once you've created these digital products, you can sell them online and continue to generate income from them over time, even while you're not actively working on them. If you're interested in this passive income, you can check out YouTube videos to learn more about it. There are so many different kinds of digital products that you can sell, and this is not solely for people who are artistic. The sixth side hustle is becoming a social media manager, where you assist businesses or company owners in creating and posting content on their social media accounts. Many business owners understand the significance of social media but may lack the time or inclination to handle it themselves. By offering to create and post content on their behalf, you can potentially earn a significant income, particularly if you accumulate multiple clients over time. Just to illustrate with an example, a close friend was hired as a social media manager and was paid around $600 to create daily Instagram posts for a legal company, and she scheduled postings using a tool like Sprout Social. She would create 2 weeks worth of content at a time, get her boss's approval, and then schedule a post to go out daily. This way, she wasn't logging in every day to post, but instead batching the work to make it more efficient. With a strategic approach, it's possible to earn more than $50 per hour as a social media manager. You can approach established businesses that have minimal or no social media presence and offer to handle it for them in exchange for a monthly fee that you've set. This could involve creating and managing their social media accounts, posting regular content, engaging with their audience, and optimizing their social media strategy to meet their business goals. Many businesses would appreciate having this responsibility taken off their plates, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their operations while you generate income from your social media management services. The seventh side hustle is becoming an agency owner. This is taking it to the next level, where you sell a service and then delegate the fulfillment of that service to other individuals, acting in a way as a service broker. Using the social media manager example, let's say you sell your social media package for $600 a month, but then you allocate $300 of it to hire a graphic designer and a writer for the captions. Essentially, you keep $300 as profit just for coordinating the team without actually performing the services yourself. You can apply the same concept to other service-based agencies such as lawn mowing service agency, a food prep delivery agency, or any other service that people may need. Basically, you act as a coordinator and broker, outsourcing the actual services to other professionals while keeping a portion of the fees as profit for your agency. The next side hustle idea is to become a video editor for YouTubers. If you don't know how to do this, dedicate about a week to learning video editing using software like Adobe Premiere Pro. You can watch YouTube tutorials and practice to gain proficiency. Then you can reach out to YouTubers by finding their email address in the About section of their channel or sending them a direct message. Offer to edit their videos and save them time by taking on 5 hours of editing work each week. Share samples of your work and offer a discounted trial run to showcase your skills. With some effort, you can start building a client base and generating income as a video editor for YouTubers. The ninth side hustle is becoming a voiceover actor. If you receive compliments of your voice, this could be a great fit for you. You can create a profile on platforms like Fiverr and offer your services for gigs such as narrating audiobooks, recording commercials, or providing voiceovers for explainer videos and other types of content. With some marketing effort and by showing your talent, you can attract clients and generate income as a voiceover actor. This is a legitimate side hustle that people are willing to pay for. For example, some voiceover actors charge $15 for every 100 words, and it only takes a minute or less to record 100 words. This means that the income can add up rapidly, making it a potentially lucrative side hustle opportunity. Another idea for a side hustle is selling handmade products on platforms like Etsy or creating your own website to sell them. You can browse through Etsy for inspiration on what products you can create and sell. One of the benefits of this side hustle is that it can be also a great bonding experience if you have kids, as you can involve them in the process and teach them about business along the way. If you love arts and crafts, this is the perfect side hustle for you. Not only are you enjoying making beautiful things, but you're also earning from your passion. All you need to do now is to learn how to set up an online shop and how to attract customers. The next potential side hustle is coaching. This can be a highly lucrative option in the online space, with many coaches earning $10,000 or more per month. To determine what you want to coach, consider your strengths and passions. You could become a fitness coach, wellness coach, business coach, or teach a tangible skill you possess, such as drawing or dancing. A simple way to get started is by setting up your own website. Once your website is set up, you can offer a coaching program, such as an 8-week program that includes weekly Zoom calls with you. When selling your coaching program, it's important to highlight the end goal and the transformation your clients can achieve by working with you. Help them envision the results they can achieve through your coaching. Side hustle number 12 is managing Facebook ads. This is a growing opportunity for those who are tech savvy and organized. Many businesses want to leverage Facebook ads to drive traffic to their services or products, but lack the expertise to do so. To get started, you can invest a few weeks in learning how to run Facebook ads on your own. There are plenty of free resources available online for learning about Facebook ads, so there's no need to spend $2,000 on a course. Once you feel comfortable with it, you can start offering your services. Local businesses in your area could be a great target audience as there may be less competition. Pitch to them that you can handle their Facebook ads to help them gain new customers. Most businesses prefer a retainer-based arrangement rather than hourly rates, which can be mutually beneficial. There are Facebook ad managers who charge between $1,000 and $10,000 a month, and usually they have a minimum 3-month commitment due to the initial workload. By securing 2 or 3 clients and working for them in the evenings or on weekends, this side hustle can generate significant earnings in a short time. Another potential side hustle is being a content creator. There are so many YouTubers who started their channel just last year, and by the 7th month, they had earned $20,000 from YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Additionally, I have a free YouTube guide that outlines the strategies that help me grow a profitable channel. You can choose any platform you prefer, such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok, and focus your efforts on building an audience that genuinely enjoys your content for the first year. I believe it's best to focus on just one platform instead of trying every platform there is, as it allows you to have a greater impact. By staying consistent with your content creation on that one particular platform, you can also generate additional income streams by building your brand. The next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be another great side hustle, especially if you want to make money online but don't have your own products or services to sell. As an affiliate marketer, you promote and sell other people's products or services and earn a flat fee or a percentage of the sale for every successful referral. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to handle customer service or the costs associated with running a business, such as product creation or updates. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of money making online without the additional responsibilities and overheads. The last side hustle on our list is to become an SEO expert. SEO, which means search engine optimization, involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. For instance, you have a company that offers home repair and maintenance, and when someone searches for the best or most affordable home repair company, you want your website to be one of the top results on Google. This is where an SEO expert comes in handy. Similar to the Facebook ad side hustle, being proficient with technology is important, but there are plenty of free resources available to learn SEO. Once you've acquired the necessary skills, you can reach out to business owners via email and offer your assistance with their SEO needs. Remember that relying solely on one income stream is risky and not good. Building multiple income streams is key to financial stability. All the side hustles I mentioned above are legitimate, and countless people have already tried them and earned from them. So make sure that you choose one that you can do right now, and from there, you'll be more confident in trying out more side hustles that could potentially become passive income. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.